Rob Frazier here, and this video is going to be the first video of my perpetual traffic plan. And before I get into this, I want to talk, there's all of these things I'm going to share with you are things that I've learned over the course of the past, 2020, almost into 2021, past, call it 10 years in online marketing. I've started to find success in 2015 when I actually started piecing these things together. But now, the good thing for you is you can shortcut your learning curve and just learn from my mistakes and different things I'm going to lay out in this series. This series is also going to be on my YouTube channel, my email list, and my podcast, and I'm going to cover this in my blog as well. So getting into this, the very first email, Perpetual Traffic Plan Day 1, people ask me where to get traffic all the time. So in talking about this email, I'm actually going to take a little bit from this book called Traffic Secrets, written by Russell Brunson. Also, I highly recommend grabbing this book if you're serious about making money in affiliate marketing or network marketing. People don't make money simply because they can't get enough people to see their opportunities, offers, or products. Period. People don't make money. 97% of people in affiliate marketing, network marketing, direct sales, whatever you want to call it, do not make money simply because they can't get enough people who are interested in making more money to see their stuff, bottom line, period. So in this email course, it's a 5-day course. My whole intent is to just break this stuff down so you understand this. And you do have to have a basic understanding of internet marketing and things like that, autoresponders, but we're going to get into that. So diving into this, straight from the book, you might be asking yourself, this is Russell Brunson's words, which is better, controlled traffic or earned traffic? Controlled traffic is paid traffic. So you buy traffic, and wherever you buy the traffic from sends you the traffic, you direct that traffic to a certain place. So in my case, I direct people to what's called a capture page. So the whole point is to turn those clicks that you're buying from controlled traffic into traffic that you own. And you do that through a capture page that looks similar to this. Here's an example of another capture page, and they call it a capture page because the only thing you can do here is put in your email. So you capture the person's email. And from here, after people opt in with the real email address, because a certain percentage of people are not going to put in their email address, they're going to get dumped onto your autoresponder. And this right here is one of my autoresponders. This right here is one of my email list. And in fact, this email list right here, Perpetual Traffic Plan, that is what this email course is connected to. So right here, the whole point is to turn controlled or earned traffic into traffic that you own. So I'm getting ahead of myself. Which is better, controlled traffic or earned traffic? And I'm going to just go down. While the blend of these two types of traffic is the key to building a solid foundation for your company or product or whatever it is you're selling, there's still one other type of traffic that trumps both earned and controlled traffic. And this last type of traffic is traffic that you own. And that's just straight from this book, Traffic Secrets. Again, I think I'm actually going to include a link in this email. If you're watching this on YouTube or my blog, I'm going to include a link to this below the video. And yes, it is my affiliate link. So the whole point online to make money, the very first thing, my Perpetual Traffic Plan, is simply this. To take the concept straight, written from the guy himself, built almost $1 billion company just using these same tactics, not tactics, but these same concepts and strategies, is to turn traffic that you earn and traffic that you control into traffic that you own. So my email list, whenever I want to, if I join a new opportunity, if I have a new product, if I have a new service, if I have something new I want to email out, I can always log in here, draft up an email and push that email it to my list, and the people who are active on my email list, some of them are, some of them are not, the people who are active are going to be the ones clicking on whatever it is I want to get traffic to. And that includes reselling traffic as well, which is what I do with some of my email list. So backing up, I'm actually go through this message here. Where to get traffic in this online stuff? A lot of people ask me. The whole point is to get traffic, yes. However, you want to turn all of the traffic that you're out there getting into traffic that you own. And I'm going to keep hammering that home because it took me a while to get to that, to learn this concept myself. Whenever I buy traffic, that's traffic that I control. So I buy 100 clicks. Those 100 clicks I can send to this capture page right here. I can send to this capture page right here. I can send to any other capture page I want. 20 to 40 to 50% of those people are going to opt in. That 20 to 40 to 50% of people will be put on my autoresponder. And then those people who are in my autoresponder becomes traffic that I own. Now that traffic I can email all the time at will as long as the person stays on my email list. And in fact, if you're watching this, you want to unsubscribe, all you have to do is go down to the bottom of the email and click unsubscribe when you get this in your inbox. That being said, one of the best programs I have found to build my email list that I have started with back in 2015 is Lead Lightning / Power Lead System. Lead Lightning is the basic stripped down version of the Power Lead System, and I'm going to cover more about Power Lead System in my second video of this series. But the whole point is to turn traffic that I control, basically paid traffic, traffic that I earn. I haven't talked about this yet. This YouTube video, you're on my YouTube channel. This is traffic that I've earned. If you're watching this video, you're part of my traffic that I have earned. If you're still watching this video, you are my traffic. And if you want to go down this rabbit hole with me and learn more, then you're going to click the description underneath, click the link in the description underneath this video, come to one of my capture pages. More than likely, it may or may not look like any one of these. You're going to click on my capture page, you're going to opt in, you're going to get on my email list. Then that turned from traffic that I earned. You watched my video on YouTube, you read my blog post, you listened to my podcast, you saw me post something on social media. So from there, you opted into my email list, and now you become part of traffic that I own. So now I can email you anything I want. And I'm sharing this with you because you want to do the same things for your business. A lot of folks are on social media. They're saying, oh, you know, I don't have sales funnels. I don't do paid traffic. I just sit around on social media all day. Well, instead of relying on just one place to get traffic, social media, they're not thinking of, you have to think long term. What if something happens to Facebook? What if something happens to YouTube? You have to start expanding your thinking there, because that's the whole point of this book as well. Russell Brunson talks about while the blend of these two types of traffic is the key to building a solid foundation, he goes into talking about how it's an overall strategy, not based on any one social media platform, not based on any one tactic or strategy. The whole point is to, if you're serious about making money in affiliate marketing, network marketing, whatever it is you're in or selling, or even whatever business you're in, you do not want to ever be relying on just one place to get all your traffic. I tell people that because I do a lot of paid traffic, and I don't just buy from one solo ad provider. I buy from MLM leads. I buy from Traffic for Me. I buy from different people on Udemy solo ads. I buy from people that I've built contacts with that I know sell solo ads. I Bing pay-per-click, my YouTube channel, my blog, my podcast. I'm not just relying on any one thing. And don't really want to overwhelm you, because the average person isn't going to be doing all of those things. The point is to pick 1 to 3 things that you can easily start to master, and then just start there. So that being said, I'm going to wrap up this first video. I'm already at 10 minutes. But the whole point is to turn traffic that you earn and traffic that you control into traffic that you own. And again, just quoting Russell Brunson here. And the best way I found to do that is with Lead Lightning. And you can actually see here, new $7 system pays commissions while building your primary business. The only people turn $7 into an endless buyer list. That's something we're going to talk about in another series. But the whole point is to have a marketing system, which is basically what Lead Lightning is. Lead Lightning is the capture page right here, and it has a built-in autoresponder, and this is what you're getting with it. It's a one-time $7, and this is what the sales page looks like. It's a one-time $7. One guy says it's the best. It's like it's like an online vending machine. People come here, percentage of people opt in. A few people opt in, they'll see this sales video, and then I'll get on my email list. The whole point of this is to have this same structure for yourself. When you purchase Lead Lightning, you're going to get a capture page, you're going to get this sales page linked to you, and you're going to get an autoresponder that's going to be filled up with traffic that you own, filled up with people's email addresses that you can email or reach out to and connect with, and that turns into traffic that you own. So, wrapping this first lesson up, I know I beat that dead horse to death, but this is how I've made a full-time income since 2015, despite being in a few different programs that have crashed. I've been in a couple programs, made decent, significant money, then a program went away. But having the same structure in place, a capture page, an email list, having these things in place kept me going throughout different programs crashing because I had traffic that I owned. I had my email list. And I also continued to put out videos. I continued to write blog posts. That was me putting out more content to get more traffic, to earn more traffic. And the whole point is to earn more traffic, and the more traffic that I earn eventually turns into more traffic that I control, and that basically means a bigger email list. And again, this is just one of my email lists. It's my smallest email list. At the height, I had over 100,000 people plus on my email list. But I chopped up my autoresponders. I have a few different autoresponders and a few different email lists. So in case you're looking at my small numbers here. So that being said, wrapping up this first video, this first lesson, you have to, one thing I will say, you have to get traffic, collect leads, convert those leads into buyers, and then continuously market different products, programs, and tools to those buyers. There are 3 C's when it comes to marketing: clicks, paid traffic, traffic that you control, content. That's what I post on social media. That's my YouTube videos. That's my blog post. That's my podcast. My content is traffic that I earn. And then lastly, connections, because all of the people that come through here, same thing with you guys, we become partners, we become business partners. Whenever you choose to join a certain affiliate marketing opportunity or whatever the case, we become business partners, and that's how I build my business, one connection at a time. So the whole point is to get a whole bunch of traffic, to turn that into traffic that you control, and then from there you create connections with people, and that's how you will build a significant, solid business moving forward. Wrapping this video up, hitting 15 minutes. Name's Rob Frazier. Stay tuned to Perpetual Traffic Plan, Day 2, Lesson 2 on YouTube, on my email, on my podcast. We'll see you in the next one.